Hello guys, good evening. This time I will prove to you the quadratic formula from quadratic equation. Why is it nga naging na-transform siya into this formula from this formula or equation that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then nag-transform siya into x is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's do this. Tara. So first of all guys, we are going to rewrite this equation, then we are going to transfer this c to the other side. So therefore this will become a x squared plus bx is equal to negative c. And then we are going to divide both terms by a. So para makancel na to ang a. So therefore this will become over a and over a. So cancel. So only a lang ang makancel. So therefore nagiging x squared plus b over a x is equal to negative c over a. Then next, we're going to divide this b over a by 2, then we're going to squared. Okay, again, we're going to divide this b over a by 2, then we're going to squared this term. So therefore this will become b over a divided by 2 squared. Okay, since class magiging complex fraction divided by complex fraction, which is 2, since nani siya divided over 1, therefore we're going to transform this into multiplication. Okay, so pag divide sa fraction to fraction, we're going to reciprocal this divisor into, we're going to reciprocal, so therefore magiging b over a times 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay, so therefore magiging b times 1 will become b, a times 2 this will become 2a, then squared. Okay, squared, this will become b squared all over 2 4a squared. Okay, so this number ato na siyang i-add both side of the equation. So we're going to add this b squared over 4 squared sa kada side sa equation. So therefore this will become x squared plus b over a x plus this number b squared all over 4a squared is equal to negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Now, since ato na siyang na-add sa both side of the equation, then we are going to factor this trinomial or these three terms. So therefore magiging copy lang ang x, then okay, parenthesis x, since the sign of the middle is plus, then next is we are going to square root this term. So therefore magiging square root of b squared is b na lang, since the reciprocal of squared is square root, so therefore b na lang nabilin over square root of 4 is 2, and square root of a squared, since squared and square root is reciprocal or inverse, we're going to only a na lang nabilin. So x plus b over 2 is squared. So this is not the factor of this term or in this expression. So therefore, so then we are going to simplify this two terms. We're going to simplify or evaluate. So what is the LCD? So the LCD here is 4a squared. So 4a squared divided by a, this will become 4a times negative c, this will become negative 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1 times b squared is b squared. Okay, next is we are going to simplify this. This will become x plus b over 2a squared. Rewrite lang po. Then we are going to simplify. So we're going to arrange this expression. So therefore may degree siya, so mauna siya. So maging b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Then we are going to make a square root of these two sides. Okay, both sides of the equation. So therefore, this square root and this square root will cancel. So therefore, ang nabilin is x plus b over 2a is equal to, since the root of the number is duha, positive, negative. So ay kalimot ha. So the root of two numbers, or the root of the numbers is 2. So therefore positive, negative. So therefore b squared remain, dili po ta mag-cancel sina kay duha po ang b squared minus 4ac. So minus 4ac all over. So since square root of 4 is 2, then square root of b squared is a na lang. Okay. Then we are going to transfer this b over 2a to the other side. So ang ma-remain na lang sa ani nga side is only the x na lang. So ngare. So therefore this will become x is equal to negative b over 2a positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So then dire po we're going to combine like terms, since the two terms is over by 2a, so ato na siyang i-combine like terms. Okay, so therefore magiging x is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is now the quadratic formula coming from this equation, or the quadratic equation. So ito po yung solution niya. Why is it nga na-transform siya into this formula? Hello. So if you have learned from this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow na lang din sa aking FB page, MathBizDog Tutorial. So if you have some suggestions po na mga topic na gusto ninyong i-tutor or itudlo sa inyo ha, paki-comment na lang po sa comment section down below. Okay, so that's all for today. God bless.